What's cooking, homeboys? This is how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026, no computer. So as you can see, I got all the settings, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it onto your device. So as you can see, I got the joystick, I got all these options, so this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, I have all these settings, so this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So as you can see, we have like aimbot and stuff, so this is super crazy. So if you guys want to get it for your device, keep watching the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So as you can see, we can actually change our character's speed, which is super cool. So that is super wild. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it onto your device. So as you can see, here's another feature. This is hotspots. These are huge cities full of Pokemon. You can actually go ahead and teleport to these. So that is super wild. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it onto your device. So let's get straight into the video. So before we start the video, we're going to need the trainer code, guys. So make sure you guys go ahead and get that. And now I'm going to take you guys over to the site and show you exactly to get it onto your device. So this is the site, guys, right here. So the site is called spooferlab.com. So once you're on the site, guys, all you have to do is press the button that says inject spoofer now, and it's going to download straight onto your device. So you can read all about it. I mean, there's tons of information. I don't really care about that. I'd rather have the spoofer, but there is information if you want to read it. So I'm going to press inject spoofer now, and then I'm just going to go ahead and be asked for my trainer code and platform. So let me just go ahead and put that in right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in the trainer code. And now I'm going to go ahead and select my platform. So after we do that, it's going to ask me if I want a full edition or a custom edition. So this really doesn't matter, guys, but I'm all about full because I want every single included option. So I'm going to do full edition. So let me just go ahead and choose that. But yeah, there is this custom edition thing if you want it. So as you can see, guys, it's initializing now. So we're just going to wait for this to go ahead and load up here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load, just so you guys can see the magic. So this is super cool, guys, as you can see. So let's just let it load up here, as you can see. All right, injecting. So let's see if it works. All right, so it shouldn't take that long. So at the end, guys, you can see it says I'm not a robot. So I just need to go ahead and press that to like verify. So let's see if it works. All right, so it's loading up right now. So let's see if this works. So it says failed, try again in 5 seconds. So now I'm going to go ahead and press it again, and we'll see if it works this time. So as you can see, it should work. So did it work, guys? Yes. So there you go, guys. That's how to get it for your device. This is super cool. It works in 2026, so be sure to try it out. This is super awesome. So that's how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer, guys. No jailbreak, no computer. So as you can see, we have all the settings. So this is super crazy. I mean, there's so many things in here. We got the hotspots, which is going to show us all the nearby towns, and we can actually go ahead and teleport. So that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for your device. This is super cool. And yeah, there's joysticks, so you can walk around the Pokemon world. I mean, there's a bar, there's everything, guys. So this is super cool. I've been around the block looking for spoofers. This is the best one. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you later. Peace.